How to make your home have an everlasting fragrance. Have you heard about this potpourri? I'll tell you what you do and how you make use of it. So here I have taken a porcelain tray, and in that I am going to place these dried flowers, or you could say leaves. I'm going to place them inside this porcelain tray. And once I have put all of it in this tray, now remember you'll have to use a white container because that is what is going to help the fragrance to spread inside the room. Now I'm going to use essence oil on top of these dried flowers. So I will spread a good amount of essence oil. Now let me tell you, if the essence oil is strong, it will come for longer period of time. Otherwise you'll have to renew it every month or two by adding in more and mixing up the petals in this way. So once I am done, I will leave this in the room. Now let me tell you all, in case if your room is too big, the hall is too big, you all can place them in two different bowls, and you will notice that automatically the place starts smelling of that essence oil that is caught up in these dried flowers. Now let me share with you the secret of cleaning these potpourris. So basically, every time you need to clean them, you will take them in a bucket, fill it with plain tap water, and then just rinse it in this way. Give it a good stir with your fingers. Now can you see the water, how dirty it is? So basically all the dust that is caught up in this is collected in that water. So you'll have to give it 2 to 3 rinse with the plain tap water. Ensure that you are not crushing them with your palm. You're just using your fingers to just turn the flowers or the petals around in this way. So if you notice the color of the water, it's already lightened up. The dust is no more, it's reduced actually. And you'll keep doing this at least twice or thrice. And once you have done rinsing it, again you'll have to fill it with normal tap water and add a few drops of hand wash liquid or any light fragrant soap. Thereafter just stir it up in this way, mix it up, and now you are going to add hot water. Yes, hot water, but only a little. So I have already kept the normal tap water. I will add hot water so that this will just be warm. I am letting it be warm so that it will get cleaned thoroughly. I'm not going to add hot boiling water and leave it there in for some time. No, just rinse it with that, with the soap, and just remove off all the dirt that's remaining and let the water drain in this way. Now in place of a bucket, you all can even make use of a rice strainer. Once I am done washing them thoroughly, I am going to lay them on a newspaper in this way so that it can absorb all the water that is there on the petals or these dried leaves. Once this is left under air, it will dry and then you can make use of it. How to make potpourri at home? It's very simple. You can use orange peel, dried fruits, or dried herbs like lavender or thyme, rosemary. You can use dried flower petals or flowers. You can make use of pine cones, vanilla flowers, or you can even make use of cinnamon sticks or spices. And then if you do not have time to make it, I will also leave a link in the description box as to where you can find them. So hope you have found this video useful. Do let me know in the comments. And for more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do share it with others as well. I'll see you next time. Bye.